Welcome to my creative channel to watch more innovative videos on machine learning using Python. We have seen a lot of videos on facial emotion recognition from image and from live face. But in every video we have seen facial emotion recognition of a single person or a single live face detection. So we have gone through few videos on MTCNN, the model which is very popular in today's era. So we have gone two videos on MTCNN, that is facial face detection and face recognition using MTCNN, and another video face recognition in really different style using MTCNN. So I decided why not do one more video on MTCNN, which is facial emotion detection from multiple images, not a single image, multiple images. So let us go through the program first. This is all about program. Here MTCNN is there. Now I will execute the program. A nice screen is displayed in front of you. So image, I will take image of three persons here. Yes, uploaded image. So I have taken facial emotion recognition of image of three persons. It is clear cut understanding that how that it is displayed. So that is the power of MTCNN. You can notice this is the power of MTCNN. Now I will take another image, upload another image. Yes. Yes. So three faces are detected, and neutral and angry. So here also predictions are there. Nice. So that is the power of MTCNN. I will take another image. Yes. So I successfully done with using MTCNN emotion recognition from multiple images. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, share with your friends. I will be back with more and more creative videos on MTCNN, TensorFlow, Keras, Landmark, if possible support vector machine, and many more videos on attendance system, face recognition, attendance system using MTCNN, using Keras, TensorFlow. So for latest update about machine learning, keep watching my channel on youtube.com. Thanks for watching. Here we can see this is the